All right, sorry guys. I had to pause or I had to end the recording. So this is the start of stage 2. After me losing my freaking mind and almost breaking my wrist. But anyways, from slamming my table because my PC kind of
I did that
sucks.
once.
Interesting. Anyways, start of
I'm back.
stage 3. Oh god.
And it's green, and we're underway, and that's a terrible start for Joy.
It's all Arnieotto got
That might be
turned.
the quick one.
Are we allowed to go below the yellow line or not?
You can, but
Oh.
not by too much. You can't go below the black.
Maybe.
Like you can't go below the black or first black line.
Astio gets the lead at Phoenix now. What a good start for the 18.
There's no contact at the back of the pack. Cars going up the track, and this is gonna be a very
Oh,
chaotic
contact.
race.
More contact now between Gaming and Dino.
Oh, look at the back of the
No,
pack. They're definitely gonna wreck at the back of the pack there. As I said, Ethan into the wall. Arnieotto almost got turned. As now Tubop trying to find a way to the inside of Geo. No, that's not gonna work. As Tubop turned, he saves it.
Up 33 now at Phoenix. 33.
Yes. Cybermorphic trying to get a run. Tubop gets tight. Mason, that's a corner cut.
Oh. I thought you said we could go below.
Yeah, you can, but not below the
Yeah,
first
but
black
not that
line.
much.
First black line, there should be at least a second one.
The 18 still leads at Phoenix. We're now on lap 34.
God, this lag.
Is the
Now diving down into turn number 1, Cybermorphic to the inside of Geo.
That's who you mean.
But no, that's turn 1. I looked it
What
up.
do you
That's
mean
turn
turn
1.
one?
Before the race, I looked it up. That's turn 1.
Yeah.
Die, Windows security. God.
Oh.
Anyways, looking at the back of the pack right now.
Up to
Mason
65 now.
trying to get by Tubop on the inside, but that's not gonna work. As now
Contact at the
Cybermorphic.
back. Tries to go low, but the 18 puts the bumper walk.
Yeah, no, let's watch the battle for 4th right
If
now.
I'm not trying to be rude, but it always seems like Dom always has like a mouthful of food.
I'm
not sure.
You know.
What?
Mason gets a
I'm not
little
fat,
bit.
You know.
Mason loses a little
What?
bit of ground, and now. Wait, what
What'd you
lap
say?
are
I'm
we on?
confused. What'd you
About
say?
35.
What'd you
At
say?
least I'm not fat.
I'm not fat
Lap
either.
35.
All right.
Yeah, Mason's
realize that.
buff. He's a ladies' man.
Yeah, I'm jacked.
Yes, Mason, how many girlfriends have you had?
So we're now on lap 36.
All right. Oh, shut up. I'll stop teasing Mason. Anyways, lap 36 right now. As Geo keeping a comfortable lead over. And look at the back of the pack right now. Ethan, hold on. Let me give Ethan a warning. Was Ethan? Okay, no.
Oh, he didn't do anything.
Yeah, he
I
was there.
actually didn't know.
He was there.
Okay.
Look at the 65 now, trying to make a move on the 18.
You call that a move?
Surprising.
Wait, where's Arnieotto? Wait. Arnieotto is in dead last right now. He could get lapped.
Wait, what's going on?
What?
My car just didn't work for a second. What?
Oh yeah, that if
Look,
you
you
hit
saw
the
that?
sometimes I don't know why, but
Yeah,
it's
but
like
I
the
don't-
yellow line. Sometimes
No,
your car
it's
gets
like
really
not
tight.
work.
It's part of the track.
No, I wasn't even on the yellow line. Like, it does not work.
I know
Fast
that
to
happens a
65
lot.
now, right behind the bumper of the 18.
No, I'm not on the. I
Sitting
wasn't on the
turn
yellow.
I
two.
know,
line.
I know what you're saying. It's part of the track. It's
Turn
part of the racing.
4-1.
No, I mean like I don't get that boost that you're supposed to get going through that yellow thing.
Gonna come now into
Oh,
turn
through
don't
the,
get it.
oh, through the yellow.
Yeah, I don't get it. I don't get
Lap 39.
it. Don't get
What
it.
you just did right there. Anyways,
Yeah,
lap
I know. But I
39
like
right now.
Hey, I actually noticed something. The laps are being counted.
Wait, they are?
You stupid.
No, they're
Yeah.
not. Wait.
Look at the leaderboard, man.
Change all laps 38.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see. Will they get counted? They do.
Yes.
I hate
Yay!
this track.
Lap
Lap
10.
get
We're
counted.
now on lap 30 now. I mean, lap 40.
Yeah,
There's one
lap
lap
40.
to
So
go.
once up here, once it says lap 30.
Wait,
Once it
why
says
does Twelve get
once it
all the way
says
down
lap 91,
12
that
get-
means the race is
Dude.
over.
Dude. The
What?
12 just corner cut and wrecked.
The 12?
No warning. Yeah, no warning. Hmm?
All right, I'll give him a warning.
Wait, we didn't
warning,
see
you
that.
went- No.
Alright.
Don't you do that. You know Messi is not a good driver.
Oh, so now you think Ronaldo's better than Messi, then...
No, he went all the way down. Like all the way down.
I was making a joke between Ronaldo and Messi.
Hey Dom.
What?
Look at Arneoto.
I'm not-
Man,
You realize,
I feel
you-
I feel bad for Arneoto, but it's part of the racing.
We
Anyways,
see our first
Dom.
lap corner.
Gio.
What?
Dom.
anyways, okay, I'm keeping an eye on Gio right now.
Dom, do you think I'm jacked?
But yeah,
What?
Do you think
What
do you
is
think
that?
I'm like? Do you think I'm built?
yes, Mason is built different.
No, I'm being serious.
Mason is built different.
No,
Yes.
seriously. You think I'm built?
Balls.
We tried.
You know, I'm just not
Um,
gonna answer that.
No,
Uh,
I just want you to. I just need you to answer, okay? Because
Better.
I get really insecure sometimes. So can you
had
guys
to
just
turn
answer?
down his volume.
Yes,
so I
you're
can-
Can you just
jacked,
answer
Mason.
honestly? Why,
Yes.
thank you. Now I will stop asking these questions, and I will.
Anyways, as we're now on lap
43.
43. I mean, lap
Yeah,
44
lap 44.
Now. Gio now gets that lead now. Cyber really right behind the 18.
Who's
But
about to
can
get?
the
Who got
65
lapped?
try and get the draft from
Arneoto,
the 18?
Arneoto's about to get lapped. Like I'm
Yeah, the
looking at
12 definitely
Arneoto
was
right now. Arneoto
The
is
12 is coming
extremely
up.
bad at these auto brake tracks.
Can we just turn off auto braking for the cup?
I,
The 12
No.
is putting me in the wall. He just put me in the wall.
Haha.
Fine, I'll wreck him.
Oh. Mason, I'm watching you right now,
45.
Mason. Mason.
Look at
Oh,
it.
look at it. Okay, that's warning to controller.
Wait, let me spectate on Mason and as you spectate on the leaders right now, Mar.
Oh wait, he's okay. A new guy's here. He's not late.
No, wait. Okay, fine.
We're on lap 46 now. Oh, contact! 12 and the 1.
I have an excuse to be down here. Okay, I got wrecked. That's an excuse. Do not penalize me for that. I
That's
wrecked down there.
fine.
What's the?
Oh, problems for the 12. He goes around. It's the safety barrier, I believe. Now let's watch. But now let's look at the 18 now.
Is that gonna be a restart?
What?
He like hit the safety. Like he like hit the pit road.
Oh, okay.
Hit the safety barrier, I believe. No, wait. The 12 forfeits.
Just he already said caution. Too late now.
All right, yeah, I already
Oh,
said
well,
caution.
No,
never mind.
No, he's still here. He's
No,
still
no, no,
here.
no, no.
But why is he parked on Pet Wayne? That's the
I
question.
don't know what he's doing, but he's still
he's
here.
AFK.
Oh.
Keep the caution. Keep the caution. You already called it.
Yeah.
They're all slowing down right now.
Whatever. Alright.
I have to reset. I have to reset my car anyway. Give me a second.
Alright, well, okay. Hey, Mason, I didn't know you were here. 48 now? What are you storing on 4?
Someone hit me! Someone hit me! Get out of this.
All right, so restarting on lap 48.
I'm fifth, by the way. I'm fifth.
Now it's time for Crank It Up. Joking.
All right, who's third? Whoever's third, I'm behind them.
Hey, Gio. Okay, I'll stop.
I'm actually excited for the
Hello.
auto race because this will
No,
be the first
no,
time.
Gio.
you're fourth.
Guys, Gio's
you're
a furry now. It's confirmed.
Why isn't he wearing the ears? That's it.
Oh my god.
I must Photoshop this. Then I'll actually edit her real soon. Cyber. 65. Cyber.
Who done this?
Come on, let's go.
I'm trying to move a car out the way so you guys don't wreck.
All right, go.
No, alright. Cyber might get stage 2. Wow, the grammar check. Alright.
Why is everyone on the outside?
Here we go. Oh,
Sure.
green flag in the air. We're racing at Phoenix.
We're racing at Phoenix.
Hey, I say that, Dom. You don't. Whoa, Mason.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
I made it work.
Whoa, look
It
at that
worked.
move from the one
It
car.
worked. It worked.
Wow, Mason sent it into the turn, and now he's made his way up to second. Cybermorphic with the lead, but Mason gets sent up the track. A lot of cars go up the track, and that might be the big one.
They saved it.
Will they
though.
save it? No, no
Save
caution,
out.
no caution.
No caution, no caution. Keep it green.
Oh,
Look at
gaming.
the 79 now. Look at this pressure with the 65.
Excuse me, pardon me. Thank you very much.
Pardon me.
Didn't ask.
See, look, the 12's back on the track.
I asked. Anyways, Gio with the lead right now. Can he win stage number 2? And we're
We're
on
now
lap
lap 50 now.
49. Or lap 50.
50.
That reminded me of 2016 Chase Elliott's outside move at Richmond.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
Oh,
Timberline
Joey
went
got-
for the yellow-
Joey got a little tight, but here
wonder.
comes Tubop to the inside of him. Yeah, restarts right now are getting very chaotic as Arnioto almost gets
Oh!
turned.
Contact.
More
There's-
contact
There's
again.
Contact at the front.
Joey on the inside of Tubop, and now Joey trying to go to the lead. Or Joey trying to get in front of Tubop. He can, as Gio with the lead. Oh my god, Ethan.
Oh, there might be some contact at the back as well. But the one of Mason substituting for orange Tech Tac.
Oh!
That's the question of the day. Have you guys
They just hit
used
the safety
Tic
barrier. They just hit
Tac?
the safety barrier. They just hit the safety
Wait,
barrier.
what? Oh, caution.
What? What's that? Arnie. Fortnite?
Lot
No!
of cautions this race. God, I didn't
Yeah.
think.
What that Fortnite guy?
The freaking 52.
Dude, I didn't think
Joey.
the pit road wall would be a problem, but everyone's hitting it.
Let's see if I can go zoom again.
Don't rely on Mark
Don't
for anything.
rely
That's
on
what I
Mar for
learned.
anything. That's what I learned. Question of the day: have you guys used Tic Tac?
Why is this? Why is this happening? I think
Oh.
what is
Oh.
this is better.
Can't believe you done this.
What is this happening? Pretty.
Alright, so. It's going pretty neat so far. How are you guys going free wide? This is not Daytona or Talladega. LOL.
I want to be on the inside.
All right.
Alright, you do that then. Well,
All right. Here we go.
here we go. We're starting
And
lap
green
51.
flag
Here
in the
we go.
air.
Oh, problems now for Ethan. Oh, maybe not Ethan, but somebody's in the 51 at least.
Yeah, if they can just get spread out immediately, that might help him. Arniotto gets shoved up the track, and now he's gonna get tight.
Oh, mistake. What a mistake from the ET. Now the 2 goes for the inside. Side by side now.
Lift.
Oh,
And here
there
comes
might
the
be
2
some
of 2
contact at
bopped
the
on the
back.
inside. Oh, look at the back of the pack right now. As Beluga Dino gets
Oh.
turned around. 2 packs right now, one with a ton of cars as Mason almost gets
contact.
turned around. Contact at the back of the
Yes.
pack, Ethan wrecking.
Hey, come on, look at them. They're going below.
Yeah, I know, I saw it. Garth warning 1.
CC. Oh,
Gaming
CC.
warning 2.
No warning 2 for Geo. He's CC'd. Just CC'd and actually died. Thank you.
Fine, 1 warning.
Fine.
That does kind of make sense, though, because he was on the
Oh, there
inside.
might be some contact. The 52 might have made some contact to the 2. Look at this now.
And oh,
the
here comes
65 might-
Cybermorphic! And the battle for the lead.
Now Joey
In
gets
the
the lead on Phoenix. Oh! This is getting intense now on Phoenix.
Yup, here we are,
Why is
lap
Phoenix-
54 right now.
That means we're pretty much.
Wait, are you allowed to
on
merge or
for
no?
Lap 55.
You
you
can,
allowed-
but not
seven-
in stage 3.
We're 6 laps to go in stage 2.
Once it's 5
Oh,
to go,
that
no
is-
merging. But if you're in the process of it, do it.
Drop to 6 laps to go in stage 2. Wait, no, 7. Wait, no, 6. Yeah, we're
The
5
idiot.
laps.
Oh,
to go
contact!
now.
Here comes Gio to the inside!
What a move from the 18.
And Joey got forced. It's fine. Joey got forced. I saw it. Cybermorphic to the inside.
comes
Joey tries to throw the
665
block.
now.
Cybermorphic gets tight into 2 bobbed. And now, Gio with the lead here. What's Joey gonna do? Joey's gonna look to the outside.
Oh,
No,
Joey's
Joey's gonna
gonna
try and
say
go down low.
No, there's no point.
Oh,
bro.
gaming can't merge. Gaming can't merge.
Sorry, but you might have to be a lap down, bro.
I'm being forced down here. I'm being forced down there.
Give up.
Well, here comes Gio, but what's gonna happen here? Lap 50 or lap 58 right now. 3 to go in stage
these damn
number
cars.
2.
I hate these cars and I hate this track.
Joey
hate
gets
the
pushed
yellow
up the
line.
track. Gio on the inside, but what's Joey gonna do? Gio looks at the inside of Joey, but it's not gonna work. Gio's gonna go back to the outside of Joey now.
To my side now.
Now
I'm
Gio's
giving
gonna try the crossover move on
shot.
Joey, and it's gonna work. Gio to the inside of
Oh!
Joey, but it won't work
Yeah.
again. Joey with a better exit off of
2
4.
laps to go.
2 to go at Phoenix in stage 2. Gio might have lost it there. But don't forget, a lot of mistakes are made at Phoenix, so what's gonna happen?
Here it come.
Oh, Gio better off at 2.
Final turn now. Final
Gio's
turn
gonna try
now.
the crossover move. No, Joey sticks to the inside like
Here it
glue.
come.
And here it is.
Final lap in
White
stage
flag.
2. Final lap in stage 2.
Ethan, don't put me in the wall.
Final lap now. Here comes
Ethan really just put me in
C18.
the
Can he
wall.
try and make a move?
Joey trying to get his first stage win of the season.
Oh!
Contact between Cybermorphic and Tubop. Geo and Tubop into the wall. Tubop break your balls. Yeah, but anyways,
And now Joey will win stage 2.
Cyber forced me? Okay. Anyways, Joey wins stage 2. All right.
The finish to the line. I mean, this is not the end yet.
Who?
Yeah,
Oh.
no. Ethan said you CC, and
I only CC because he forced me all the way down there, and I was
Mm.
wrecking by the time I got there. Oh, I didn't have a choice. He wrecked me right before the corner.
And now this is the final stage, so 3 laps.
So if
in
you're gonna
stage
let him
3.
treat me that way, then so if you're gonna let me treat me that way, then let me keep my spot.
This is the final
well,
stage.
yeah, I'm
in-
letting you.
of
All right,
Phoenix. So pretty
30
much
laps.
This is
this
30 laps.
All right,
stage.
back up, Arnioto. Arnioto,
three.
back up. Arnioto, back up.
So
Arnioto,
the
back
lap
up.
will finish on lap 90. So 90 laps in this race. What up, guys? You can.
Oh my God.
What are you doing on the other main? You're doing 53, 73, and 51. Back up, or else more will send you to Brazil.
Okay. There. All right, here we go.
Oh, wow. Are you ready, chaps? Alright, let me do the green
Here
flag this
we
time, okay?
go. Oh shoot. And
it's
green flag in the air.
Green at Phoenix.
And here it is, Geo with the lead entering turn number 1.
From
Joey
Ethan.
to the inside, but Geo's still going to keep
No,
his
thank
lead
you
as
for
now
free
Mason
kick.
getting a shove from Tubop. Geo's still keeping his lead entering turn number
How
3,
did
but
he-
what
how
is
did they
Joey
get
going
such
to
bigger
do?
runs than me? How did they get such bigger runs as me? I was ahead of them,
look at
and
that,
I even
folks.
got.
Oh,
Oh,
Ethan got turned into the 52 and they crash.
Oh!
No caution.
Oh, look at that.
Wait,
Look at that.
no, wait,
Look
did
at
he
this
save
one.
it?
Yeah, I saved it. They're still
No,
going.
caution.
Race back.
It's back, I guess.
Yeah, so
How does he get such a bigger run than me? We were right there, right next to each other, doing the
Gio
exact
will
same
pick
thing.
up
He just
the
pulls
race
away. Explain. That's what I don't understand. He got such
all
a
right.
better run.
So the caution comes out right now. We're on lap 62. So change.
Can someone tell
all
Tubop
lap
and 65
62.
Tubop, respawn your car. I swear there's something up with it. They get such bigger runs.
It's gonna
I swear
pick
they
up
do.
stage
I swear to
2,
God they
I mean,
do.
Stage 3.
I swear.
Well, maybe you're just
I swear they
messing
get-
up.
I'm not messing up. I'm going completely straight, and I get a push from them, but they still somehow overtake me.
You know, I'm actually getting excited. I'm actually being excited for
Please
my
explain that.
race at Auto Club.
Wait, okay, so what's
on Chip
happening?
Up.
Okay, so they push me into there, and I get a good run, and they're still pushing me, and then they lag back, and then they just zoom right around me. I swear.
Crossover.
No, there's no cross. It's on the straight.
It's on the straightaway? Okay, well, maybe they're just not pressing W when they're coming off the straightaway. Or when they're coming off the turn. Joey, move up. Move up, Joey. Let Tubop in.
What do you mean?
There.
I don't understand.
Like, just hold down W so then you get a better exit. Just don't press A
I
or
was
D.
That's what I did. That's what I've been doing the whole time.
Okay, we'll
Alright,
do that.
alright,
Do
let's
that
go.
more then. All right.
It
Here
don't
we
work.
go.
It do work.
And it's green, green,
Okay.
green. That's Phoenix.
All right, you know what? No more jumping restarts.
Mason goes for the inside now, trying to get his first lead in D3. Much Sour Studios doesn't know while it's jump starting, luckily. And Mason will get his first lead in stage 3.
Okay, I'm happy.
Mason with the lead right
What
now,
the
but no,
heck?
he's gonna drop
Oh,
back.
What the heck happened?
What the
What?
What the
heck?
heck happened to the one car?
What? I'm confused though.
You know what,
What the
Mason? I'm
heck?
gonna. Okay, you know what, Mason? You can merge. You can merge. You can merge to first.
I don't
Oh,
understand
problems
what the
for
heck is
Joey.
going on here.
Oh,
Wait,
Joey
you see what I
barely
mean now?
missed the pit wall.
Do you see what I
Gary hit
mean
the
now?
safety barrier.
Yeah. I think your car is stuck. Respawn your car. Respawn your car. Cause
Yeah,
I
I'm
don't
gonna try it
think.
again. I'm gonna try it again real quick. Let's see.
Up 65 now.
I think you just need to respawn your car.
Oh!
Alright,
Here
yeah, I'm gonna
comes
respawn.
Tubop
You
to
guys-
the inside of Geo. Cybermorphic to the inside of Geo. They're gonna go 3 wide. That's not gonna work.
Oh!
Watch out. Oh, crash. They save it. No caution.
You said I could merge the
Cyber now
lead.
gets to wait.
Said I'm allowed to merge the
Cybermorphic,
lead.
break, break, break. Stay behind
I'm
the
allowed to
leader.
merge
Stay
the
behind
lead.
the leader. Stay behind the leader.
Well, you said I could merge the lead.
No, I was talking to Cybermorphic. There, okay.
He got shoved. Oh, Geo might
Alright, I'll merge behind
have gone
Tubop.
to the back bumper of
Yeah,
the 65.
merge behind Tubopt.
Oh, the 65.
Oh, Ethan!
Got forced. He got forced.
I don't care. Wait, no, that's warning 2.
Got forced by the
I don't care. He's still
What
gonna
the hell?
break.
What the hell? What the hell?
Arneoto, bro. Yeah.
Who made this
he did.
setup?
Out.
I was right on his bumper. And as soon as we got to the boost, he just ran.
Then CC, he got clipped by the 73.
I don't care. He could have braked.
Okay, jeez, man.
Besides, he ran into the leaders, so I don't really care at the
68,
moment.
I mean, 68
Did-
no.
You can't I've said that before.
And now Tubop leads on Phoenix. And a power read the 47 of Fortnite will be a lap down. By the way, Fortnite is cringe, guys.
I don't know what's going on, but they are so much better than me. I'm doing everything I'm supposed to do, but they keep catching me. I don't understand this.
You're running on the yellow line. That's what's happening. You're losing speed.
I haven't been running on the yellow line. For
You
the
just
past
did
2
right
laps.
there.
I know, I just did it right there.
Change laps? Okay.
But like, why do they get so much better braking than me and so much better boost? Like, watch this. Like, watch. When we come out of here, I'm gonna lose it.
Now Cyberberg goes for the inside. Oh, Tim, I've clipped the one. And now
It's
Cyberberg
really
goes
65?
to the outside.
Seriously?
Oh. What's this 18? That was the 18.
And now,
Look at
T-Bob's
this.
at the lead, but more contact at the back of the pack. Cybermorphic and Mason go for a ride.
Gio might have done a Jeff Gordon from 2012, from when they raced at Phoenix for a
And so
championship.
Mason not happy with Cybermorphic, and that's going to be a warning.
What? He wrecked me.
Not on
Not
purpose.
It's the
I don't know
18 that clipped you, you what?
I know, but the 65 kept turning up whenever he ran into me.
I know, because you
Now
got
look at the
tight.
back now as we see. And now look at the back now as they're now.
Why would you
as they're
turn
trying-
right on a left turn? That's my question.
I don't know, but right now, spectating Arneoto trying to get help from Protective. We've seen him at the back of the pack, but I think Protective's game plan is to stay at the back of the pack until it matters. I think that's been his game plan most of these
Bobby
races.
Rose.
Arniota with a huge run, and he's going to hit the outside wall. He got a heck of a
Oh.
run from the 43. And his car's
see, that's
extremely slow right now.
Seems like
As
once you get a big
Fortnite is
run-
about to get lapped. AKA
Yeah,
best army player.
There might be a first swap. There might be. Here's our first swap car of the day. The 47 of Cringe Fortnite.
Yeah, I'm guessing he's playing on mobile right now.
Mobile. He's not doing that bad. Like, he's not wrecking people. I'll
Yeah,
give
at
him
least
that.
he's sticking to the outside. He's letting people pass. But anyways,
Be like
Schubach with a
Max
huge
Verstappen.
lead over the rest of the pack. Could he get a win at Phoenix? Remember, once it's lap 91 and the lap counter up here, that means the race is over. So right now, decent amount of laps remaining. Here comes Mason to the inside of Gio. Let's look
74
Let's
now.
look at the back of the, or behind the leaders right now. Oh, no, that's not going to work. Let's look at Geo.
See a Hershey
Actually, no,
bar in my room.
Cybermorphic. Where's Cybermorphic? There's Cybermorphic.
Uh-oh.
I mean, they're having a decent battle up here. Oh, contact between the lap car and Arniota.
Uh-oh.
Arniota and Army got together there.
Fair enough, Cyber. Fair enough.
Yeah, Tubopt has a huge lead over the rest of the pack right now, and I think that's partially just because they're trying to go for positions. Right now, you just gotta hope for a
ET.
caution, and there goes Mason. Caution will come out.
That's
Gotta
stupid.
that was a bad move from the 18 as he shoved one car into the inside wall.
And Gio
That instantly
Ceasing.
flung him.
This is the best car I've had the whole time, so I'm not mad. I can get back up there.
So
Or was it
that's
because the 18 did? Or was it because the 18 wasn't clear?
yeah, that's
Or
really
was
gonna
it-
hurt Tubopt
sure.
right there. It's coming to the line. That means we're going to have. Let's think here. Hold on. Give me a second. Give me a glizzy
laps to go.
second. Hold on.
The
Give me
obstacle.
20 laps to go.
What?
Well, no, 19. 19, yeah.
You mean 19? Mate.
19 laps to go. No,
What?
Gio. You're stupid. Wait.
That was 30
Wait.
on stage.
Wait. Math
What?
is hard.
Or you said 30 for stage 3.
Me and Arniota have been
Makes
bickering
sense.
between if I should be in algebra 1, and that explains why.
Algebra 1's actually really hard.
He's in
Trust me.
algebra 1. Bionic Derp's a
I'm in
smart
algebra.
kid though.
Bionic Derp.
Bionic
Derp.
Derp's a very smart kid. He's freaking like gets an A
Derp.
in every single class,
Derp.
and he's like in the hardest classes. All right,
Third.
you guys
Wait,
are
what's the goal?
ready?
Third.
Hold on. Jubop, don't do the countdown. Don't do the countdown. Here we go.
Oh well, never mind.
All right, there we go. Battery
Green
control
flag.
restart is green flag in the air, and we're racing at Phoenix.
Oh, 2 goes to the outside wall. That's the 247.
Tubop to the inside, but now
Oh,
here comes the
God.
51. Tubop's gonna get turned. He's gonna save it. Joey to the inside of Beluga Dino. Is Beluga Dino? He's been running at the back of the pack all day, and now here he is at the front. Restarts are very chaotic. Is more contact. Oh, contact again. Tubop around. He's gonna save it. No caution.
Or there might
What
be-
the heck? I'm going-
Oh!
Oh,
51
bigger crash. They save it. Oh,
Jump to the
the
47.
51. Oh, okay. Caution.
big caution. Also, somebody has to remove that. It's 47.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Get him, Gio.
No! No!
We have a lot of wrecks
Sure,
in
voice-
trucks, and I think it's just because of unexperienced drivers.
Oh, I'm in fifth. Nice. I got back up to fifth.
Yo! Yo! That flip though! That was so cool!
Wait,
was so
someone
crazy.
flipped?
At the
Got
51.
flipped though. Got
Oh,
flipped though.
I
That
didn't
was
know
a
someone
big caution.
flipped.
What?
Yeah, it's algebra versus AP Bio. I'm in pre-AP Bio, and Bionic Balls is in algebra. Oh shit. Oh guys, we
Uh-oh.
got a runner. We got a runner.
Why,
Someone
where is
block
he?
a road.
Where
Yes,
is it?
yes, controller. No.
Jail him. Jail him.
No, I
Get
can't. It's a dead car.
It's
a dead car.
Go
Gio. Go Gio. Okay, I got it.
What's the Doritos car doing?
I know, he's in geometry.
Actually, sing like some SpongeBob music, like Bikini Bottom chasing.
Wait, no, I gotta count these racks are made today.
Hope
The
Nickelodeon
Beano
doesn't
song,
sue us,
the
or
Beano
Viacom.
song. Alright,
Viacom doesn't sue us for or give us a copyright strike for singing that SpongeBob
they're
song.
not gonna give us a copyright strike, they're just gonna copyright the video.
Oh.
Which is kinda cringe, but I don't make money off my videos, so cry about it, bitch.
I do.
I don't. Oh, Geo!
Stupid. Yo.
Hey, guess what? Geo parked! Just kidding. Geo's not parked. Why? Why do you have to do a lot? Bruh!
Gotta do that.
Chaotic.
Finn, you're gonna.
Too fast.
Oh my god, Geo's cringe right now. I respawned on accident.
Jesus, he's flying.
Okay, hold on. Change.
Ow.
Alright, yeah, let's hurry.
Wishy washy.
Hurry up, Gio, or else you're gonna make that
Geo,
guy
line up.
pee.
Beluga.
Pretty much, we're gonna do much. This is gonna be the longest. Okay, dokie, are you ready, my spaghetti lovers? Ready?
Go behind 65.
Ooh.
Count down.
Go Lizzie moments. Don't count down.
What
Okay,
happened to the
there we
rest of the
go.
drivers?
Good enough. Wait. Okay, good enough.
I swear we had more.
Some people left. Anyways, green flag in the air. We're racing at Phoenix.
Oh! Contact.
I got fourth down here.
As now,
getting
two
fourth.
bots with the lead.
Oh,
And
get
all
it,
more
get it.
contact at the back of the pack.
88.
Garth gets turned around.
Why am I going so slow?
Oh, you probably didn't hit the speed adjuster. As now, Tubot with the lead. Arnioto
Oh, right, Finn.
trying to get by him.
Demolition Derby.
Trying to get by Tubot is Arnioto. Can Arnioto win in trucks and get his fifth career win in Spotify, but his first career win in trucks? Are the cars lagging, by the way?
A little bit.
Oh,
A little bit,
Why am I
okay.
going so slow? Heck. Can I merge? I'm going really slow. I gotta respawn.
All right, fine. Respawn your car, but merge to like the middle of the pack or something, or merge to the back. Is contact between
Oh.
gaming. No caution. Gaming, hello?
Detest you.
No caution. We're gonna keep racing.
Gaming is
Yup,
now
here we
showing
are.
us this question.
As
Gaming
here
is
we
showing us
are,
this pressure
9
with
to
the
go at the
2004.
line.
Comes Arnioto now on the inside. Two Bob goes as he still holds on the inside.
Yes, Bob. He has a good lead right now, but can Arnioto catch him? Can Cybermorphic catch up to Arnioto? Is Arnioto with a run on the inside? It's not going to
look at
work.
this.
Will Arnioto get a better jump off of 4? Yes, he will. To the outside is Arnioto, but Bob still keeping his lead. Watch out for Cybermorphic on the inside as well. Arnioto trying as best as he can to catch up. Cybermorphic gets a little tight, and now they're going to be single file exiting turn number 2.
They calm now.
Watch out, though. It's 8 to go. Here comes Cybermorphic. Cybermorphic to the inside of Arnioto.
Oh! It's getting intense now on Phoenix. Side by side now to get first.
Garth, you can't merge. You can't merge.
Gonna be
You
a-
can't merge.
It's gonna be a free-wing battle for the fleet. And the 73 try and get him. He's trying as the 65 is trying to get as the 65 is helping the 73 out. Now, up 7 laps to go.
There we go.
Look at this now for the 73. He is approaching this two
Go on
car.
the outside here. Go on the outside. Go on the outside. Gaming's there. Gaming's there. Gaming's there. Go to the outside. Oh, gaming.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's okay. Well, that's gonna be a caution.
And that might end Bob's chances of winning this race. Bob, you might have to blame gaming for that, bro. It's this car! Gaming.
Yeah, I can actually be the car. I was going really slow. 52! What are you doing?
What? No, Ethan.
You just turned right into me. Stupid 52 car.
Ethan, don't drive backwards. Your car will be slow. Yes.
I
Swear
swear
to
to
God,
it's like
it's
you
like
guys
you
want
guys
me to
want me
lose.
to lose. Blame the 79.
Yeah, blame gaming for that one. For not being able to merge.
I hate Phoenix.
I hate Phoenix.
Your penis is nice.
Who is
And
that?
I hate this car. Then why did you pick Doritos? Me? Oh, car.
All right. Line up.
All right.
Why is there a car on the fence? How the heck did that happen?
Because there's a random.
Yep. Yeah, baby.
That's 2020.
It's called,
Rookies Are Bad.
Anyways,
Excuse me, nope.
here we
Indeed.
go. Oh, Arnioto.
Five-
Okay, luckily Arnioto braked on the restart. If he didn't, then I would have had to park him there. Is now Bob with the lead. The 51 gets forced down the track. Arnioto almost gets turned, but now Garth to the inside. Garth almost gets
look out
turned.
from the
Garth
back
to the
car.
back of the pack.
Side by side now. With 5 laps to go
No.
4 laps to go.
Okay, wait, hold on. Not 5 laps ago. It's 4 laps ago.
Okay.
It's now 3 to go.
3 laps to go now. Who's gonna win at Phoenix? Cyber might have a chance of winning.
Oh,
He
contact!
gets turned.
Contact at the back of the pack. Protective. Can't merge. Can't merge. Can't merge.
Now Andrew is trying to get his first win in the truck series. Substituting for the
There's no
51.
contact at the back.
Raul.
Is that
The
caution?
leaders did
James
not
Brack.
take the white flag. Caution.
Caution comes out. And
Hang on, we weren't even going to the white flag.
I know.
We were going to 2 to go. We were going to 2 to go.
I thought it was 2 to go for a second. Okay.
I'm sorry, I was stupid. Gee. Oh my goodness, Jim's going to be so
Oh,
mad
God.
at Ethan, bro. Oh no. Oh no.
Thread the needle.
Next person to
Oh,
cause a
nice,
call
third.
is kicked.
Wait, no. Once it's lap 50, that means the race is over. Okay, so
50.
or not 50,
50?
90. God, my brain can't comprehend stuff. All right.
Are you guys
Were you gonna have to?
doing the
Were you gonna have to
truck
put us?
series?
We're
Yeah, we're
gonna have to
doing
be on.
truck
No,
series.
you said 91. You said 91. You said 91, didn't you?
91 what?
Or
That's
are
when
they
the race
just-
is over.
I know I said 91, yeah, but I wasn't thinking
Bob, I'm
straight.
sorry.
Let me get my door real quick.
This
Now it's
no,
not
because the
good.
laps mean that that's only like how many laps people have done. That mean it doesn't mean what lap we're on. So oh my god. 2 wide restart.
What you doing?
Or move.
No, Dino.
Oh my god. Gio and Beluga.
Bob, stop.
Alright.
Bob, go forward.
Oh,
I'm behind
oh no,
you.
I have a race.
I'm
to do.
behind you. I'm in third.
I'm
I
going
know.
by.
Marm.
What?
Come on.
This
This
truck
track sucks.
sucks.
You suck.
It's his opinion, you know. Wow,
Back
nobody's
up,
in
back up,
seconds.
Back up. Alright,
Who's
good,
in
good.
seconds?
Here we go.
Alright, are
Trying to
you
get
ready?
this over with because Freaky Fast
go.
Championships in a couple seconds. And green flag in the air. We're
Flag in
racing
the
at
air.
Phoenix.
Are we coming to the
Tim
white this
up
time?
the outside wall.
Yeah, it's overtime, by the way.
Here comes Mason on the inside. Oh, he messed it up. He messed it up.
Oh, what's
He
gonna
hit the
happen
outside
here?
wall.
Exiting turn number 2. Mason will save it. Cars lagging. And Tubop coming into turn number 3. Tubop slightly hits the wall, but that's gonna help him. Arnioto trying to catch up. And here we go.
can't
Oh,
help it.
white flag. No caution. White flag.
What happened there?
White
Yeah,
flag
we're
at
at
Phoenix. Tubop with the lead. Just don't mess up these final
didn't see them.
turns.
Honestly,
And
I swear to God, I really
Tubop
didn't.
is going to win. Let's see what's going to happen this final turn. Mason, he's going to have to send it in. No, Mason can't do it. Tubop coming out of turn 4. Tubop is going to
Tubop will
win
win.
at Phoenix.
There.
Oh my god.
Oh, who's winning?
And you know what? You are back in the guest room.
And there we go. Phoenix, Tubop wins at Phoenix. There you go. Tubop dominated all race, and he finally did it in the truck series.
Rob will win at Phoenix for the very first time in this truck series. Pretty much, he will win at Phoenix for the first time in the truck series.
Oh my god.
But the question is, will we get the win in D2? And will we get the win the Clover Cup Series race at Auto Club?
I'll take second.
Ah!
review the footage on the last lap to see if there were any penalties.
Bruh, gaming.
Oh, I got second. Hey, Gio, hello. Okay, bye, Gio.
Cyber.
All right.
L2 Bob win at the Clover Cup Series race at Auto
There's no
Club.
victory lane. Okay, whatever.
Alright, I gotta go. Bye bye.
No, Arneo, don't move.
Well, I'll take second.
All right, there we go.
I got
And that
second.
was it. Thank you for watching this 1 hour, almost 2 hour race. Very long. Anyways, bye bye.